The cabin filter is located behind the glove box and will require uninstalling the glove box to gain access. Open the glove box. Remove the side panel. There are 4 bolts securing the glove box assembly. Remove the bolts using a 9/32 socket. Remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Remove the glove box light. Unclip both sides of the filter housing door. There may be some wires in the way. Then unclip the middle latch upwards to be able to open the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box light. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the bolts. Reinstall the panel by aligning the tabs with their catch. Close the glove box.